salvage. So here's our pile. It's pretty dirty. Unfortunately, as you can see, we're in a really rural area, so we don't have a trash service. So what that means is people will either bring their clothes here to the corner and dump them, and then, I don't know, at some point somebody takes it to the dump, or they will donate it to Habitat and make it their problem. So let's see if there's almost everything is really dirty, but I'm gonna take a couple t-shirts that I see that can be salvaged, and unfortunately not much else.
And I just happened to be on the way to the laundromat to do laundry, so I threw the shirts in with a load of work clothes. And then once I got home, started cutting them into my yarn. If you need a tutorial on this, I will link it above and also below in the description. And then I'm left with my balls of yarn.
Finger crocheting in a rectangle is very easy. First, let's make a slip knot. So we make a loop and feed our working yarn through the loop and put that onto our finger. Now for the size of accent rug I'm going to make today, we're going to chain 30. Now, we want to turn our work to go the opposite way. And then we're going to put a single crochet into each of these loops that we've just made. So starting with the second loop, we're going to put a single crochet in every loop. Now once we've reached the 29th stitch, we put a single crochet once more. And then because we're at the end, if we were to just turn our work and keep crocheting, we would lose a stitch. So we're always going to chain one and then turn. And then we can skip this stitch that we just made and go back in the other direction. And that's essentially all we're going to do for the entirety of the rug. We're going to continue working in rows, single crocheting 29, and then chaining one at the end and turning.
So we'll just continue like this for the entire way, attaching different colors and balls of yarn as we go. The one thing that I want to recommend is that you use all the same type of fabric so you don't have variances in the thickness.
So now the last thing I want to do when I've reached my desired length of my rug is I'm just going to put a black border around the entire thing. So all I've done here is switched to my black colored yarn, finished one row of my regular crocheting with that black, and I'm going to go all the way to the corner. And then once we reach that final corner stitch, we're going to put 2 stitches there, one continuing straight, and then one so we can turn the corner. You see how I'm starting to go around that corner. And then we're just going to put a single crochet into every loop along this long edge. And that will give me this pretty black border. And you can do that with a single crochet, you can do that with a double crochet all the way around, you can do 2 rounds of single crochet, whatever you want, or a completely different stitch to give it kind of a little accent. But that helps us get this nice finished looking edge. And again, every time we reach a corner, we're just going to put 2 stitches into that corner stitch to turn the corner.
Here's something I haven't talked to you guys about before, and that's blocking our finished work. It just means stretching it into the perfect position. Then we get it soaking wet and let it dry in the sun. If you want a full video tutorial on this, please let me know in the comments below. And once it's all soaked, we just let it dry, and then it's ready for display in our home, bathroom, wherever you want it to go. Thanks so much.